Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I do my color retouches at home. I have some gray hair and I'm going to show you guys how I cover those. So normally you want to do this with a scale, but since I don't have my scale here in Argentina, I'm gonna eyeball it. And I've been doing this for quite some time, so I kind of can guess. And that's the consistency you want, so it's ready. And you want to use it right away, you don't want to let it sit. And with my color line, I use Schwarzkopf. It is a professional color. You do need your license to purchase this color, and it's 1-to-1 ratio, so it's equal parts. You do, like, let's say 35 grams of the color and 35 grams of the developer, and today I'm using 3-0. I already mixed my color, and you always want to prime your, well, not always, but I like to put lotion or some Vaseline around my hairline because I tend to stain. So I'm just using a lotion that I have on hand. And you just do the base of your face, like your hairline. And you want to go where like your grays end. You don't want to overlap your color because then you'll end up getting a band. You kind of want to be able to see through your sections. If you grab too thick of a section, you won't cover all your grays. So you just want to make sure that you're able to see through your hair. And my hair grows pretty fast, so this is for those of you who want to learn how to color your roots at home that can't afford to go to the salon every 3 to 4 weeks. I know it can be very expensive to do this, and we don't want our grays showing. We want them covered. So hopefully this can help those of you who want to learn how to color your hair at home. And if you're doing this just to cover some of your hair at home, you don't have to do like your whole head. You could do where you part your hair the most. I do have some clients that do this already, and they just color literally where they part their hair around their face and around their entire hairline, and then they're good. And then I'll color the rest like every 3 months versus every 3 weeks or every 2 months. So they'll color their hair once or twice in between them coming to the salon and seeing me. And again, I'm using a professional hair color. I'm not using a boxed color. I think people don't understand sometimes the damage that they do when they color their hair with box color at home. And then they want to go into the salon in like 3 months or even the next month, and they're like, oh, it's too dark, I don't like it. The boxed color literally will take somebody that's blonde and somebody that's dark, like black hair, brown hair, to the same level, almost the same level. It's really high in ammonia. It's just really bad for you. I would just avoid using boxed color. I would highly recommend talking to your stylist, or if you have the access to getting professional hair color, I would do that. So I just did this side. I'm going to show you real quick on this side if you just want to do like your hairline or like your part. So when you put your hair back in a ponytail or whatever, the hair around your face, all those grays will be covered. So it literally can take you like 5 minutes to just put the color around your face and then just do your part. And then that'll buy you time to not have to go into the salon and do your roots every 3 to 4 weeks. And then I'm not picking up color. I'm only picking up a little bit that I need to color the roots. You don't want to saturate the brush with too much color. Like that is way too thick of a section. And I comb it back, like I will start, like when I have the color on this side, I brushed it down, and then I go with the back of the brush, and then I just brush it back in. And that's just making sure that every hair is saturated with color, so therefore every gray hair that you have is covered and colored, so you're not having some grays that aren't covered and then you have gray hair again. It defeats the purpose of coloring your hair. And then when you go around closer to your ear, you want to lift every section and pull it up. You don't want to color down because you don't want to color your ear. This hair is a lot finer, so like you can see, I can already see through there. And this part, because I mean, I've been doing hair for a long time, I can pretty much color my hair back here by touch. Gather all your hair, your claw clip, put it up, put your ear down. You just follow through the base of your hair. And then you would be done. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my hair. Oh, and another tip that you want to keep in mind is what you're wearing before you color your roots. I love to wear a robe because that way you just take it off and jump in the shower instead of trying to take a shirt off or staining a shirt that you love. So I would recommend coloring your hair with the robe on. And then now I'm showing you how to do it horizontal. I did half my head vertically. And then you can use your fingers to kind of like guide you to see where you need to be. And there you go. I just colored my entire head while I did my roots. And another tip that I can give you that I always do at home, just gather it all up, your handy dandy clip, and you just let it process. I let mine sit for the full 40 minutes because my gray hair is already very resistant. But something that I do with the leftover color that I have is I color my eyebrows. You barely put color on the very tip of the brush, and then I brush them upwards, and then you comb it through. And this hence why I didn't wear makeup to do this tutorial for you guys. And there you have it. I hope you guys liked the video. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and thanks for watching.